you have to roll 1, 3, and 5, and you can get any. Okay? To make this quick, I changed my mind. Okay? For those who roll 2, 4, 6, you get 1. For those who rolls 1, 3, 5, you get 2. Is that better? Yeah, I can change my mind. But you have to put the gifts in front. Babe. Kakailanganin mo si RJ mamaya. Kasi hindi ka pwede magtatakbo. Okay. Ready? So if you roll 2, 4, 6, get any, put it in front of you. Okay? Do not put it in your bag. Do not put it sa likod, in front. If you roll 1, 3, 5, double. Ready? Ang ikot, po, pakanan. So, till the next one to roll will be V. Okay? Pakanan. Pakanan ng ikot. Pakanan. Ready? Get set, go. Spin. Then the next will pick it up. 3. V, spin. Dalawa din, V. Step. Dalawa, 1, 3, 5. Dalawa. Put it in front. Parang si Tim nakatunog, no? Kumuha ng papel. Si Tim kumuha. Si Tim nakatunog. Dalawa. Isa lang. Kunin nyo yung dice. Yung kasunod, siya yung kukuha ng guys. Yung kasunod. Dalawa. Isa. Jay, kuha ka isa. Si RJ na lang. Pili ka isa, Jay. Kahit saan. Spin muna. Hindi, spin ka muna. Hindi ka pwede magtagal. Isa. Next. Yung pong next, yung pong lahat. Yeah. Big things come in small packages. I agree. Yung mga C, mabilis makatunog kasi puro mga letra yung ginawa.